I'm Hazer. I'm at the Dogbox party, biggest party of the year. Fuck yeah.
Yo, what's up? This is Castlevania here in Pretoria. About to rock out at the Dogbox with discotheque and street.
Give it up for Dogbox, Griet, Discotheque, and Havana Club for making this all worth it. Can I get a fuck yeah?
Started with Havana Club and Discotheque. Rob Cyphers from Havana Club, we kind of, started doing smaller events with him, and now he's completely behind us, believes in what we do, and he's been incredible about getting behind our events, and now we are throwing like huge parties like this. So Havana Club has been a massive help.
Get involved. Tell them, listen here, serious business, no manga, sitting here with Dr. Pachanga. Get involved.